Hi guys, this is the Filipina from the Filipina and the Foreigner YouTube channel. So guys, it's good news because I started doing class for foreigners who like to come here in the Philippines, and if you're a foreigner who are interested in our culture and our language, I can teach you how to speak Tagalog or Visayan language. I can give you some advices about Filipino culture or how to deal with your Filipinas family, anything I can answer. So if you are interested, please enroll in my class and send me an email, filipinak1@gmail.com. It's only $5 per 20 minutes. I already have clients, and I started today. Today is Wednesday, and he booked for 40 minutes, and he paid only $10, $10 for 40 minutes. And then if you want, you can send some list of the questions or the topics that you would like to know, and I can answer you that. So our class will be concise. So guys, don't forget to book and send me some email at filipinak1@gmail.com. I hope I see you soon.